Hello my good friends. Today we are going to make a delicious breakfast with bread, egg, some salt and butter, and I have sugar and I have milk and my plate for working. So we are going to make a delicious breakfast that is bread toasted with egg. Let's start. Cut my bread sides to side. Going to cut it like this again into half. Then now I'm going to take my egg. And add some sugar. Just a pinch of salt and add some milk, and now I'll mix all accordingly. Mix until all is well cooperated. Then now here I will put my butter to melt. Then now here I'm going now to dip my bread one by one, soak it with my mix and put it in the pan. The other one, put it in the pan. And the other one, and the other one. We are now going to flip it. And now my bread, I think it is now done. Going to remove it. And I am still adding more. And our breakfast. Now our breakfast is done. This is what we call the toasted bread with egg and milk, and I'm telling you, it is the best. Try it and you will see.